Alright, now our hairdo is going to be super simple because it's going to be mostly covered by the hat. But I just want to get a few areas that have some cute little hair pieces poking out nice. So I'm going to take some right through here. Okay, now I think all that I want just stuck to her head so it holds on really tight. And then I want a few more little, I need a couple more. We're definitely going more for placement than how it actually looks being applied because all this is going to be covered with a hat, so it's not really going to matter. There. You want to get right into the scalp so it has a place to glue onto. Okay, just like that. And this extra hair I'm just going to get rid of. A sweet little hairdo for her. Need to pull all these little pieces off, but then what we'll do next is have this hat come on. I want this top part to kind of bend under a little bit. In fact, I think what I'll do is just barely glue it here. Kind of just tack it down in the front. Just kind of barely turn that under. Let's see how that's gonna look. Probably should wait until that hair is completely dry before pulling it on all the way, but you can kind of see the gist. Isn't that cute? And then we're gonna gather this up at the top and trim it down. She looks adorable. Oh my goodness. Alrighty, here she is. She turned out really darling. I put some glitter on her little boots and gloves too. And I love how that little hat turned out. She's just so sweet. So this is a little doll I'm going to be working on the next Curious Mondo symposium. So be sure to keep an eye out for that in February. I'll teach you how to make a little doll just like this. There she is, fully standing. You can see how she looks. She's got a cute little sweater skirt and a vest and a nice warm jacket. cute little scarf and hat. Some really sweet red hair, sweet dark brown eyes. Some cute little leggings on her legs there too. Cute little buttons on her boots.